Hi, my name is Mike Skurzat here at Bergey's Truck Centers, and today we're going to take a look at the Isuzu FTR. This is a 25 950 GVW, so it's under CDL. It's a dock-high truck. Inside the cab here we have a suspension driver seat, three-person seating, and we have lots of storage room behind your seats as well. Interior features, we have power locks, power windows, heated remote mirrors, AM, FM, CD, Bluetooth, air conditioning, all the necessities that you would need. The regeneration is automatic, but there is a manual switch if you're not doing the higher miles. We can talk about that later on. It's cab over design, so you have unparalleled turning radius, fantastic for a city application, or if you just have tight areas in your runs if you're going into tight parking lots and just need that better maneuverability. So on this truck we have a 26-foot Morgan dry freight body. We have the side door right here. Steps for easy access. Inside you can see plywood lines, 2 rows of E-track. Now we can have either a lift gate or a ramp added on here. Also we have this forklift package, so if you're going to be doing any loading from a forklift on the ground, this timing plate here will prevent the forks chewing into the bottom or the into the wood. And there are 4 extra cross members in the rear to take the brunt of the load if the forklift is being driven in from the loading dock as well.